Hey YouTube, welcome back to the Biker Chef, the channel that combines motorcycles and cooking. My name is Gabriel and today we will do an unboxing and I will show you the cooking equipment I ordered to use this riding season, and possibly many more to come. It's the Trangia stove, the 25 large version. They have the possibility to, on their website, to build your own custom stove with different pans from different materials and different burner options. Stay tuned. Okay, let's open the box. As you can see, it was sent by DHL from Sweden to Romania, and it's in perfect condition. The box, I mean, it doesn't have any dents, any holes in it. Okay, we have some stickers. We like stickers. Okay, more stickers. Okay, here we have the, I think it's the bill with what we ordered. Everything is packed nicely. Okay. So let's remove everything from the box and I will show you what I ordered. Okay, so first, let's start with the custom built stove. This is how it looks. Okay. And inside we have this package with a little strap. Thank you card. You're welcome. Okay. So we have a pan, the non-stick version. Some instructions, the Trangia handbook, okay, we have the gas burner version, tucked very well inside here. Came in this wool. Okay, looks like this. Okay. We have a kettle. With its cover, of course. we have this handle. This is universal handle for all the pans, for hardware here. Next we have an aluminium pan, the small one. We have another non-stick pan here, and this is the where the gas burner is fitted. Okay, some extra accessories. I have the pan stand, which I will show you. It looks like this. I will show you what it's used for. And two plates, also the non-stick version. Which are very okay. So for those of you who don't know the Trangia system, it's like this. These two parts form basically the wind deflector for the burner. You have a hole right here where you put this part of the burner, put it out. Okay. And here I'm going to do like this. On the other side you connect your gas source. And then you come with this part right here, and you just put it over, and like this. Safe from the wind, no need for an extra wind deflector, you know, the basic camping cooking ones. Inside we have these 3 little metal pegs, and with the universal handle we have the frying pan that fits there perfectly. When we're done, if we need I don't know, to prepare something else, we just put this right here and take another of the pans and use it like this. All of the pans, all of the I don't know, equipment that came here fits perfectly in this spot right here. If you have something smaller, I also ordered this pan stand, which can be used like this. So if you have, I don't know, something smaller, let's take this for example, you can use it like so. Okay, in order to put it back together, take this, remove this, Okay. Now everything can be put back together. Sorry. Like this. Everything goes nicely in the little bag. Regarding weight, it weighs about 1.5 kilograms. So what are your thoughts, your opinion on the decision I made to use this Trangia set for outdoor cooking? For the moment it rains in Romania, the weather is not so great, I can't go out and cook for you guys, but let's hope sunshine will come soon and the weather will get better. Furthermore, I have to make the 1000 kilometers service entry for the MT, but that will be done next week, and starting from then, I don't know, I'll be free to roam around and to cook. Thanks for watching, see you soon, Biker Chef out.